Satoshi's been taking care of me since I got sick. And now he's had a really bad headache for 2 days. We're really hoping it's nothing and perhaps it's just fatigue. But it's my turn now to take care of him. The rice I ordered online just arrived. Let me transfer this into a rice container. Now, let's see what we have in the pantry. I got beans, quinoa, a can of tomatoes, a bag of lentils. Let's use this. And this. And this. Okay, I think I can whip something up. I'm gonna use my everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's and some curry powder. Alrighty, I'm gonna improvise with what I got. I have exactly 1 onion left, so I'll use half and save the rest for another day. First, I'll mince the onion, which I'll be using to give some nice flavor to my dish. Plus, onions are nutritious. I really want Satoshi to get better, so it's my job to make sure he's getting the proper nutrition he needs. In times like these, it's important to take care of each other, I think. Lots of love. Lots and lots of love. The onions are chopped up, so I'll transfer this to a bowl. Let's save the other half for another day. We never waste food in our household, and that's not going to change. Okay, let's make the main dish. I'm using 1.5 cups of chana dal, which are yellow lentils. These are great because you don't need to pre-soak them or anything. Add in about 2.5 cups of water and bring the water to a boil. Oh, before I forget, I have to make my rice. I'm making 2 cups of rice today. Having a rice cooker makes it super easy. When making Japanese rice, make sure to wash the rice thoroughly or until the water runs clear. You see how cloudy the water is? We don't want that. I'm adding in 1/2 cup of quinoa for extra nutrients. Pop it in the rice cooker and wait. In my case, it's 37 minutes. My dal has come to a full boil, so I'll turn the heat down to a medium and I'll let it simmer for a while. I like to skim off the foam that floats on the surface of the water. I'm not sure if this is absolutely necessary, but here in Japan, we always do this. That looks much better. Now, I'm gonna let it simmer for 50 to 60 minutes or until the dal is tender. I think I need one more dish. What do I have in the fridge? I have chikua fish cake. I could use this. So I got chikua and cabbage. I think I'll make a simple salad with this. I'm going to use a small wedge of cabbage today. Then I'll chop it up into random bite-sized pieces like this. It's crazy how Satoshi loves cabbage so much, but we almost always have it in our fridge. This is quite a lot, but I'm making dinner for 2, so that's okay. I'll separate the cabbage leaves with my hands, like this, just because he prefers it separated. I'll dump it into a bowl. My rice will be ready in 15 minutes. Okay, now the chikuwa fish cake. This usually costs around 100 yen at supermarkets in Japan, so I usually have a package lying around in the refrigerator. I'm going to be using 3 pieces today. So just cut this into random pieces, just like I did with the cabbage. Dump this in with the cabbage and combine. I'll just use mayo for the dressing along with some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a quick mix. Transfer this to a salad bowl. Okay, looks like my rice and quinoa is ready. Make sure to fluff it up as soon as it's done. Let's check on my dal. Yeah, looks about right. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. And mash it up like this. Now the dal doesn't have to be perfect or completely smooth. Yeah, this looks about right. This is what I'm looking for. It's okay to have lumps like this. Alright, so we're going to heat up some butter. Once the butter has melted, let's saute the onions until they are almost translucent. We're going to add in the mashed dal back into the pan. I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to add in a can of tomatoes. Mix well and continue cooking over medium heat. Now you can season this with whatever you have on hand. In my case, I'm going to be using the everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's and some leftover curry powder. Add as much as you want. Make sure to taste as you go. I think I need some salt, so I'm going to be adding a little bit salt for some more flavor. That's pretty good. Now this is optional, but I'm going to be adding in some ketchup, which I need to use up anyway. Satoshi likes the taste of ketchup in food like this, and he just likes it more when I add ketchup. I'm just winging this dish with whatever I have, but I think it's gonna be fine. Now it's time to set up his tray. What a week. Me getting sick and then Satoshi. It was a tough week, but you know what? I'm feeling grateful. We got each other and it's nice. It's really nice. What should I make for breakfast tomorrow? Let me think about that.